Hi there. Looking for a job.
All right, have a seat. Did you bring a resume or did you get referred to us?
Nope, just thought it'd be a good fit.
What kind of work experience do you have?
I used to work at a warehouse. I'm driving a forklift.
And why aren't you there now?
I was fired.
Why were you fired?
I slept in.
One day?
A couple times, 3 times, 4 times a week.
So we have starting hours here and I'm pretty punctual. I'm actually very strict about that. If you were to get a job here, do you think you could, make it on time?
That's not a problem.
Okay. Well, we wear steel toes here. Safety is paramount. You'd have to go through some training. There's no guarantees, but I can let you know.
That's not a problem.
Okay, do you have steel toes?
I do.
All right.
Do you go and get coffee in the morning?
Yeah, I do.
Can you get me a large black iced coffee? I'll see you tomorrow.
Really? What just happened?